Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to transfer Uber Cash to bank account. So if you want to transfer some funds or Uber Cash that you have access that you don't want, you no longer need it on your Uber Cash, so what you can do, if you go to your account here, so if you go to your payment options, so on your wallet here, so if you have some cash here, so unfortunately Uber doesn't let you do this by yourself, so you can't transfer the cash to your bank account or anything. So the only way you can do this is just reach out to the help support team. So you're going to go to the help section, or you can, like, either way you can reach out to the customer service. You can either call them, or else you can go to the help section here and then just try to reach out to any trips here. So any trip options, or just choose anything, and then what you can do, you can go all the way down, and then you can they'll have a form here, so you can fill this form and submit it, or else you can also call them directly and then get them fix it for you, as you can't do it by yourself. So this is the only way how you can transfer it, as there is no any other options. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.